Are you seeing the collision mitigation braking system problem warning on your Honda dashboard? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix and reset the CMBS warning light on your Honda. Whether you drive a Civic, Accord, CR-V, Pilot, or any Honda model, this guide will help you solve the problem quickly and avoid expensive dealer fees. Here's how to fix and reset the collision mitigation braking system problem on your Honda. Step 1. Clean the sensors. Locate the front radar sensor behind the Honda badge and wipe it clean. Also, clean the windshield area around the camera. Step 2. Check the battery. A weak battery often causes CMBS warnings. Make sure your battery is fully charged and connections are tight. Step 3. Restart the system. Turn off your Honda completely. Wait 30 seconds, then restart the car. In many cases, the warning disappears. Step 4. Reset CMBS via settings. Go to Settings, right pointing arrow, Driver Assist System Setup, right pointing arrow, CMBS, right pointing arrow, turn off and then turn on again. Step 5. Use an OBD2 scanner, optional but recommended. If the light stays on, connect an OBD2 scanner. Clear any stored CMBS fault codes. If codes come back, you might have a sensor or module issue. If you've cleaned the sensors, reset the system, and the warning still won't go away, you might have a faulty radar sensor, a damaged front camera, or a Honda sensing module failure. In this case, it's best to get a diagnostic scan at a certified Honda service center. And that's it. That's how you fix and reset the collision mitigation braking system problem on your Honda. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop your Honda model in the comments. I'll guide you step by step if you still have issues. Don't forget to check out my other videos on dashboard warning lights and Honda sensing system fixes.